What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to show you how you can archive and unarchive posts. This allows you to remove posts from your profile without permanently deleting them, and you can also put them back. So I thought everyone knew about this, but apparently not, because I kept on talking about it to a lot of people and they didn't know what I was going on about. So let me know in the comment section down below if you did or didn't know that you could do this. Now the main reason you would want to archive a post is that if you wanted to delete something from your profile that you thought was embarrassing, or you just wanted to completely get rid of everything but you didn't want to delete them permanently, you wanted to keep them for the memories. Archiving posts allows you to do this. So to archive a photo or video, all you have to do is to go to the post that you want to hide, tap on the three dots in the top right corner above that post, then a menu will pop up, and in that menu you'll have the option to archive your post. Now once you've done this, your posts get sent to your archive. To access all your archive posts, tap on your profile menu on the top right, and then you should be able to see the archives. If your Instagram layout isn't the same, just make sure that you look for this archive icon. So you tap on that and now you're in your archive. If you don't happen to see your posts and you see your old stories, you can tap on the archive drop down menu at the top and then hit posts. Now you should be able to see all of the posts that you have archived. So thanks to this, you can now go and remove all those embarrassing posts that you've been wanting to get rid of but not permanently. Basically, you can make any post on your profile you want private. And if you want to put something that you've archived back onto your feed, all you have to do is once you're in your archive, you tap on the post that you want to unarchive, tap the three dots on the top right, and then tap show on profile. Once you've done this, this means that your post should be back on your profile and that everyone else should be able to see it again. So that is how you archive and archive photos and videos on Instagram. At the moment you can't currently archive IGTV videos, but who knows, maybe Instagram will roll out a feature that will allow us to do so in the future. But if this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the like button, and again guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.
It's just another Hollywood weekend.